Hello everyone, in this video let us try to learn something about functions. We have already learned many things about functions in our JavaScript, like we have seen defining a function, calling a function, and we have seen in our previous lectures as well test function we defined and we called it. But here we will try to understand functions as a class. So anyway, this thing also we have covered in JavaScript course, but let us see that example here. So here I have a function called as student. Above the function I am declaring enum or creating an enum result, which is global. Any function can use result type and they can declare a variable for result. So I have let I student ID is number and I'm initializing it to 100. So I can initialize the variable where I declare it. So this is another approach of initializing the variable, or I can do it in the next line as well, or in the same line where I declare sname and is active. Marks array I'm initializing it here, total, and I'm using for of loop to get the total. So let I of AR marks, so total plus I plus equals to I. I'm calculating the average. Array of contact, again it is a string, array of contact. Array date of birth, this is triple. So I'm trying to give a real-time scenario with all the types that we have learned or everything that we have learned. Finally, let result be the variable of result and its default value is passed. Now I'm defining a function inside the function. So this function is now acting as a class and the function inside the function is acting as a method, and these are all properties, or you can say fields. Now this dot result equals to, it is a function, result is a function. If average is greater than or equals to 35, then pass, else fail. Simple logic. Now how do I create the object of class student? Here I have var std equals to new student, then I can say std dot result I am calling. It will return, if it is passed it will return 1, if it is fail it will return -1, if it is promoted it will return 0. So how do I display the result? I say result of that index or that value, std dot result. So whatever it returns, it will return either 1 if it is pass, or it will return -1 if it is fail. So its output will be 1 and pass. So don't worry, let us look a demo for it. I have the code snippet ready with me. I'll simply drag and drop. I have enum result, defining a function student, open bracket, close bracket for this. SID, sname is active, then array total, I'm doing the total here, calculating the average, array of contact, array of date of birth, result, and all these things. So here I need to create variable where std equals to new student, then console dot log std dot result. So it will display 1 or -1. Now what is the value of 1? So I'll say console dot log result of, you see that result is enum type of std dot result, whatever the value it returns. That's it. Save all and execute. Save 12. Result is a function, so I need to make it a function call. Result is a function, I need to make it a function call. Even here I need to make it a function call. Now I'll say 5. Now you can see that it says 1 and pass. Now if you want, you can browse the object std. It is the student object which has result as a function. and it has some variables. I can see that std dot eResult. I'm calling the function. Its value is 1. Or I can say result dot pass fail, or result of 1. It is pass. You can say result of -1. You see that it says fail. So this is your console. So this is how your function works. These are the things which we have already learned in our JavaScript course, but anyway, just to simulate all the types and everything, we have seen this. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much.